Hi, welcome to CIDC Nirman. I'm Jayashree Kurup. I'm editor CIDC Nirman. I have with me Mr. Krishnamurthy Balaji from Shapurji Palanji. Thank you so much for joining us, sir. First of all, congratulations for winning the CIDC Vishwakarma Award this year. Tell us what you got the awards for.
We got the medal and certificate for our IT building in Pune for Manjari's platform, which is a company, which is a sister company of ours. And for the best safety also we got the medal and certificate for our Shapurji real estate project. So these two projects I'm handling. So I'm very happy to be here, being associated with CIDC for almost 13 years.
Okay.
And before this Shapurji, I was with Godrej. Even there we were getting awards, and whatever the good thing that is being done by CIDC, we were all part of that. Either in part of development of the labor force, the concentration that the team shows towards the safety, quality of the building, it's very commendable, and we support CIDC.
Okay, that's good to hear. Tell us about the work sites today. You've been in the industry for over 1.5 decades. So tell us, what was it like then and today? And today, that time there was a surplus of workforce. Today there is a shortage of workforce. But there is so much more concern about the health, safety of the workforce. So tell us how it all plays out.
Question is correct, but the question also carries the answer. Earlier we didn't have much projects. We were doing smaller projects. We were having very limited projects, or the infrastructure was not too much, it's not too heavy. But today if you see, we have too much of infrastructure. Whatever we are discussing in lakhs, we are lakhs crores. We are speaking about the infrastructure development that is being planned for 2047. And the labor force is not available.
Right.
There is one way of mechanization. It's not only the mechanization, we are not European countries to do only with lesser manpower. We have many unskilled laborers, unskilled people they should be made skilled. The good part is, like CIDC, there are other agencies who are also supporting them. One is training them, making them efficient. It is not the hard work, it is the smart work.
Right.
When we say smart work, it comes with the safety, it comes with the quality. Do the right thing at the right time, do the things first time, right time.
Right.
So this is the methodology which we have to adopt, and it should be materialized in course of time. Coming back to your question of how the market is, or why we have this scarcity, many people, many laborers who are coming from outside, they don't know the BOCW, what is the benefit that they are getting. Maybe even though they know, they don't want to indulge into it, or they go into the depth and take the benefits. Like what we were discussing in the morning, whether each and every laborer is going for a BOCW. Is he getting the kit? Is the labor getting the benefit for the marriage of his or her daughter? So it is the duty of the individuals, that is the civil engineers or the market leaders or the people who is working in the organizations. They have to support our laborers. One is, the labor should not be a labor for the continuous period. The labor's kids should become an engineer. They should be in a different position. Illiteracy should come down. Maybe when that is coming down, the machinery movement, the other things also can grow. So to match the gap, there should be a balance. Laborers are prime. If we are not getting a labor, we are failing. We will get an engineer today, but not a labor, not a good labor, who is having ethical affinity.
Okay. Tell me about Shapurji Palanji Investment Advisors. What is your role and how do you?
See, in Shapurji Investment, I am taking care of the development head role. When there is a project that is being taken off, whether it is an IT project, it's a student housing, when there is a land that is coming to us, we do the technical due diligence. is the land suitable for building? Is the infrastructure available in the near available areas? We liaise with our own internal development team of sourcing and leasing, whether what sort of building that will be happening here. If it is a IT building, how the crowd is going to come, what is the infrastructure that is available. Then if I go into depth, we make the B0 budget. What is the type of foundation? What is the strategy of construction that we have to adopt? And what is the type of contract that we have to follow? It's a design and build, or it's an item rate contract, or what is the different methodology that we can adopt, whether it's a free issue supply or it's a labor rate. When we are zeroing down on that, by the same time we have to close down the DBRs, design brief reports for MEP, structure, everything. Various analysis will be made to value engineer the building. Value engineering means it is not cost cutting. It is, if you say the cost cutting, now today people are saying that it's a value engineering means cost cutting. It is not like that. What is required needs to be given. What is not to be given is need not to be given. What is given and it is going to be helpful for a customer, end customer, that needs to be provided.
Right.
If it is a real estate project, what is written in the RERA needs to be provided. If you provide anything addition, that is different. So B0 budget, B1 budget, then the contracting strategies will from contract finalization, execution, handing over to the leasing team.
Right.
Till such time is my own responsibility. That is development team's responsibility.
Right.
I work for Shapoorji Real Estate also, where I am handling a township project of 4.3 million square feet
Where?
in Pune. So both the projects are in Pune. Here again the same thing. The end customer is my customer.
Yeah.
There that might be around 5 or 6 customers. Here I will be having 3,000 customers,
Right.
end customers. So handing over to the customer, you have to put ourselves onto an individual customer.
Right.
If I am making a luxury project, I should think in that way. If I go to a budget, what is the budget and what is that I can afford? So this what is my role. So
Okay.
the administration, liaising with the authorities, ensuring safety, quality, welfare of the staff, my labours, all these things is under my purview.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. All the best to you. Thank you for
Thank you
speaking
so
to
much.
us.
Thank you.
Congratulations again for your award.
Thank you.